Did you know that you can continue playing your favorite PlayStation 4 games on your PlayStation 5 console with backward compatibility support? In this video, we'll guide you through multiple ways to set this up. Let's start with data transfer. First, prepare your PlayStation 4 console to be ready for data transfer by ensuring you've updated to the latest system software and are signed into the same account you plan to use on your PlayStation 5 console. Next, connect your PlayStation 4 console to the same network as your PlayStation 5 console. If you're transferring your data through Wi-Fi, you can reduce transfer times by additionally connecting your consoles together with an Ethernet cable. Once your two consoles have been connected, follow the instructions on your PlayStation 5 console. Your data will transfer in the background, so you can continue enjoying your PlayStation 5 console experience even while your PlayStation 4 apps and games are being transferred. There are a few other ways to transfer games. If you have a PlayStation 4 game on disc, simply insert the disc into your PlayStation 5 console and it will install automatically. You can play PlayStation 4 games installed on an extended storage device by connecting it directly to your PlayStation 5 console. We highly recommend storing your PlayStation 4 games on an extended storage device to free up your SSD for PlayStation 5 games that require it. If you've purchased PlayStation 4 games on PlayStation Store in the past, sign into your PlayStation 5 console using the same account and download your games from either Game Library or PlayStation Store on your new console. Don't forget to transfer your save data. You can transfer your save data using data transfer. Another way is to use PlayStation Plus cloud storage. Please note that you must have a valid PlayStation Plus membership to transfer save data. Upload the save data to PlayStation Network on your PlayStation 4 console, and then download it onto your PlayStation 5 console. Or if you have one available, you can copy the save data from your PlayStation 4 console to a USB drive, and then copy it to your PlayStation 5 console. You just have to make sure you use the same account on both consoles. Now that your games have been transferred to your PlayStation 5 console, it's time to play. Enjoy!